Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Supergut flavored shakes, marketed as gut healthy supplements that also support GLP-1, the hormone pathway behind many weight management medications. We tested these shakes to see if they're the best alternative GLP-1 booster. Supergut shakes are high in prebiotic fiber, resistant starch, and plant-based protein. These ingredients help balance blood sugar, promote fullness, and feed healthy gut bacteria. When we added them into our routine, we noticed reduced snacking, better digestion, and steady energy levels without crashes. The shakes kept us fuller for longer and made it easier to control portions, but the weight management effect was mild compared to prescription GLP-1s. The pros are great taste compared to typical fiber shakes, solid digestion benefits, and real appetite control support. The cons are that results are subtle compared to medical treatments. It's more expensive than making homemade high-fiber shakes, and it requires consistency to see changes. Overall, Supergut is not a scam. It's one of the better functional shakes on the market for gut health and weight support. It won't replicate prescription GLP-1 results, but it's a healthier, natural alternative worth trying. This has been How to Really Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.